Hi there. Our goal of this video is to help you get started with Biyo POS. Before we begin, I would like to mention that Biyo POS is a cross-platform system. That means that whether you have a Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, or even a Chromebook, you can run Biyo POS. Now let's begin by walking you through on how to set up your account, create some items, and help you navigate through your new dashboard. If you haven't already created an account, you can simply do this by going to signup.biyopos.com. Once navigated to the site, you will be presented with a form. Please enter your business name. The form will automatically help generate a subdomain, which will be used to host your own personal dashboard. This is shown on the right in the URL field. Enter a valid email address and phone number followed by your first and last name. When you're ready, create a password that you would like to use to attain access to your dashboard. Once all the required fields are populated, go ahead and click Create My Store. Please wait a few seconds while your store is being created. You will be redirected into your dashboard once the creation process has been completed. You should also receive a welcome email with a verification code and a link to your dashboard. Now that we are in our dashboard, let's quickly go over your menu options. The first link is the dashboard. This will take you to the dashboard view. This is the view you are currently on. It is currently empty at the moment since there are no sales in your store. The orders link will take you to your sales orders. This is where each individual order can be found. The reports link will have a drop-down of various reports you can use to track your business performance. The product menu will allow you to configure your categories, products, modifiers, and discounts. The users menu will help you add employees and customers. The configure link is where all your POS configurations will take place as well as your store settings. Before we dive into the sections, let's quickly open our POS and see what we are presented with. Click on Open POS to start using your POS. A new tab will be open and sync the data locally to your computer. Click 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the default PIN the system starts with. This can be changed from the Employees section of your dashboard. You will notice that there is no open shifts at the moment. Let's enter the value in our cash drawer. Let's say we currently have $100 in your cash drawer. Click Open Shift to begin taking orders. You will notice that the POS is completely empty if there are no categories or products available in your store. Let's quickly get that fixed. Let's go back to our dashboard. Click Products from the top menu, then click Categories. You will see that there are no categories in the system. Click the green Add New Category button on the right-hand corner. I will name my category Drinks. I can also add an image for this category or select a color to represent the category. When you have multiple categories, you can use the sorting field to organize your category order for the POS. Otherwise, the POS will sort it by alphabetical order. Now, let's click Add New Category to save our category. You will be redirected to the Categories page. We can now see that my category was added. Now, let's assign a product to that category. Click Products from the top menu, then click Products. Click the green New Product button on the right-hand corner. We are now presented with a form to add our new products. Add a name for your product, then select the category. You can also write a description of the product to be used to display on the kiosk and online ordering apps. Below, we'll need to set a base price to let the system know how much you are selling the product for. You can also add your cost for the item, add a barcode, and assign a tax rate. Below you will see additional toggles such as price prompt and quantity prompt. These toggles force a pop-up when the item is clicked for the desired field. In the Options section, there is a drop-down for modifier groups. This is where you can select which modifier groups that should be attached to the product. You can also select which printers the items should be prepared at, which we will cover these later on. Now let's go back to our POS screen. Navigate to the PIN screen. Click Sync. All the latest updates we made on our dashboard have now been updated on our POS. Let's enter into the POS. As you can see, there is now a category and a product which can be added to the order. Click on the product to add the item to the order. You are now ready to take the payment. This wraps up our Getting Started tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to growing with you.